Hi Inthekoots bloggers, it's Jim Ross at the Kootenai Computer Support blog at Inthekoots.com with a quick video that might help you solve your spam problems. Thanks to Paul, the lead developer at Inthekoots.com, for suggesting this to me. So here we go. These are your options. So if we go to my blogs, Kootenai Computer Support dashboard, and wait for that to load, I can go down into my settings and I can go to discussion. And if you look here under other comments settings right here, you'll see that you have some options here. Comment author must fill out name and email. Now, this is something that spam users do. So you have another option here that says users must be registered or logged into comment. And this was Paul's first suggestion in terms of dealing with spam issues. So myself personally, I want my aunt or my cousin or my friends to be able to make a comment without having to be registered users at inthekoots.com. So I'm not going to use that option, but there it is. There's another interesting option here that I thought I'd just point out to folks, and that is this one here: enable threaded or nested comments. That's a really cool one. If somebody makes a comment, you can respond individually to that comment. You can suggest how deep you want it to go. You can say they can make comments will be 5 deep, or you can say up to 10. So those are your options there. The option that I chose is actually under plugins, and I want to show you that and how we're going to set that up, because I set it up about 8 hours ago and I haven't got any spam since that time. So here we are. This is the option rate that we want here. Akismet, we can activate that. So what we're going to do first is we're going to pop over here. We're going to go over to a post by Paul himself, and we are going to find the link. Well, maybe not. So we're going to type it in, akismet.com. I goofed up. There we go. Okay, we're going to sign up for Akismet. I should say. I click the button. We're waiting. I'm just going to open my email client. There we go. So here we are, and using some advice from Paul, I just want to show you how you can use this and use it for free for your blog, because spam takes a lot of time and it's a royal pain. So let's just move along here. We want to do a single site, and the reason we want to do a single site, even if you have multiple sites like I do, I have 2 sites, is that you want to take advantage of the free option. So if you look down here and select is for my personal blog, then you can have it for free. If you click on multiple sites, that disappears and suddenly it's a fully paid service. You don't have an option. So we're going to select a single site, and we're going to select is my personal blog. Off we go. I'm Avid IT, and enter my email address. Enter it again. I'm not going to enter a URL here, and I'm going to say continue. Oh, sorry. Before I say continue, I'm going to take this slider I'm going to knock it back down to 0. That was a hot tip from Paul, and something you don't want to miss. I'm doing this for a demo, but frankly, the time it saved me in terms of filtering spam, I'm willing to pay money for that, and I intend to do so, and I would encourage you to do so as well. So here we go. We're going to continue, and shortly we are going to get an email. Oop. Enter a username, avidit, continue. Whoops. Okay. There we go. Done. Okay, so they sent me this email. Here it is. You've got to love that. So if I look up here, I see your Akismet API key is this. I'm going to delete this when we're done. So they tell you never to share this. And of course I never will, but I'm going to delete it when it's done. So here we go. We're done. Now we're going to go back to our Inthekoots blog, and we're going to say Akismet. Select, activate. There we go. Now we look up top here and we see we got a pop-up here that you might not notice, which I initially missed. That says you must enter your Akismet API key for it to work. Click on that. Now that key that I copied from the email, I'm just going to right click and paste it because I don't want to remember that. And I'm going to say update options. There we go. Your key is being verified. Happy blogging. And I can assure you, life's going to be a lot better once you do this. So that's pretty basic, folks. If it's something that you haven't set up already or you struggled with spam, I would sincerely suggest that you have a look at this option. Thanks again to Paul for this suggestion, and blog on, Inthekoots bloggers.